Hello, and welcome to another update video on Link. Yeah, just a quick update. Seems like this orange scenario that we discussed only, in yesterday's video update and the day before, this extension to the downside is still the leading scenario. Why is it the leading scenario? Two reasons. From this swing low that we formed on the 4th of November, we have only seen a three-wave move up, guys. You know that. I was not bullish here directly on Link, especially not without a break above the yellow trend line, not without a break above resistance, and not without a break above our signal line, which is here the green line, located around $17.60. So, I mean, what can I say? I mean, we don't have any sign that here the altcoins are showing any strength. Most altcoin structures are showing three-wave movements to the upside. Shouldn't be a surprise, therefore, that we are on our way to another low. $13.30 to $12.14 is the next support zone that I'm watching here on the smaller time frame. Below this zone, we are likely going to enter the lower, or let's say larger degree, support zone that we discuss regularly on our long-term charts. And this support zone is between $10.72 and $6.90. So this is the zone to watch in case we break below the upper support. A brief break below $13.30 would be acceptable also in this scenario in which we're tracking a wave 2 correction, which would then lead to a third wave rally. But a decisive break will likely invalidate the so-called 1-2 setup we're tracking here, and we might open the door, the trap door, to a larger decline into this zone below. And I mean, in the very short term, there is no sign of a low anyway. So I think it is important to be aware of these support levels, but not take it as, let's say, guaranteed that we're going to turn around, because this is still a catching the falling knife situation. You don't necessarily want to sell into, you don't want to buy into so much weakness. Well, you might want to. That's it really depends on your own strategy and risk profile and everything. But I can tell you that the pressure appears downward. The movement to the downside here, on the local level, it appears to be impulsive. So what we see here could indeed be a third wave to the downside. And then we might see a bounce and another low in wave 5. And what can I say? This might really take us into this region between $12.14 and $13.30. Whenever we have something like that, we really have to take it level by level, because if we understand what Bitcoin is doing, Bitcoin is currently holding still, despite the sell-off today, around a very, very strong support area. Still no decisive break below 100K. Still not broken, I think, or might just doing it right now, but 55-week EMA. The daily RSI is nearly oversold, so there is a lot of support there, so just be aware of that. But yeah, I mean, on the Link chart, with only 3 waves up and a rejection in resistance and not even a break above the yellow trend line, there is nothing short-term bullish, so lower is expected still. If anything changes, as you know, then I'll let you know. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the membership. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.